ever dreamed of a luxurious all-black room but worried that your small apartment would feel like a cramped cave? Today I'll prove that with the right techniques, black can actually be the key to making your limited space feel deeper and more elegant, so be sure to click that subscribe button for more bold design inspiration. The magic of darkness and confined spaces. Many people dread the thought of black in a small space, imagining a gloomy, oppressive atmosphere like a closed-in cave. However, at IkiGriya, we understand that black isn't about eliminating light, but rather about creating depth, character, and a sense of timeless luxury. Today, we'll explore how to transform your small apartment into a dark palette masterpiece that still feels spacious and breathable. Understanding the psychology of elegant black. Black is the boldest color in the interior design spectrum, often associated with authority, mystery, and absolute elegance. In small spaces, black has the unique ability to make the boundaries of walls disappear, creating the illusion of infinite space when applied with the right technique. The secret lies in how we manipulate the eye's perception through contrast and strategic lighting in every corner. The first foundation, choosing the right tone of black. Not all blacks are created equal, and choosing the right undertone is crucial for determining the overall mood of your room. Do you want a warm black with hints of brown for a cozy feel, or a cool black with hints of blue for a sharp, modern look? Choose a paint with a matte or eggshell finish to gently absorb light, giving your apartment walls a velvety, expensive-looking texture. The art of creating dimension through texture. When you're working with a single dominant color, texture becomes the key to avoiding a flat, boring visual impression in a room. Imagine the combination of a solid black wall with a shiny, aged leather sofa, a shaggy wool rug, and silk pillows that reflect a bit of light. This contrast of materials will create rich dimension, encouraging the eye to explore every little detail you've stylishly incorporated. The power of layered lighting in dark corners. Lighting is the lifeblood of dark-themed interior design, especially when you don't have large windows that provide abundant natural sunlight every day. Don't rely on just one chandelier in the center of the ceiling. Instead, use layered lighting such as antique table lamps, curved floor lamps, and recessed LED strips. The warm light will accentuate the texture of your black walls, creating artistic shadows that add depth to a small space. as windows to the imagination. Mirrors aren't just a tool for looking in the mirror, they're a secret weapon for reflecting light and doubling the visual perception of space in your apartment. Choose a large mirror with an old gold or silver frame, which gives a vintage Parisian touch, to provide a beautiful contrast against dark walls. By placing it in front of a light source, you instantly create a new window that makes a small room feel much more open and airy. High ceiling illusion technique with continuous color. One clever trick for dealing with low ceilings is to paint skirting boards and door frames the exact same black as the walls. This technique eliminates the horizontal lines that typically cut the eye, creating the illusion of walls that continue upward without visual interruption. As a result, your ceiling will feel higher, and the room will no longer look like a cramped box, but rather a harmonious, flowing space. Vintage elements, incorporating historical character. As we often discuss at IkiGriya, antique furniture has a soul that can soften the sharpness of a modern, minimalist black color palette. A directoire chair with its classic lines or a small zinc table will provide a historical narrative amidst your carefully crafted, moody aesthetic. The presence of these objects gives the impression that your space is the result of years of curation, not simply following a current interior design trend. Balance darkness with metallic accents like brass, copper, or chrome serve as adornments, providing a luxurious shine against the backdrop of a deep, mysterious black wall. Use these materials on doorknobs, picture frames, or furniture legs to create an eye-catching focal point for onlookers or guests. The slight reflections of light from these metals will break up the dominance of the dark color, providing the perfect visual balance between masculinity and feminine elegance. Biophilic in darkness, the right plants bringing natural elements into a black room will provide an instant boost, but you must choose plants that are resilient. Thrive in low light conditions. Plants like Sansevieria or Zamioculcas have dark green leaves that perfectly complement the moody aesthetic of your apartment, providing a beautiful organic contrast. The presence of these living creatures ensures that even though your room is predominantly dark, the atmosphere still feels lively, fresh, and incredibly inviting. Open space, furniture with slender legs. In a small apartment, every inch of floor space counts, so choose furniture that doesn't completely overwhelm the eye. Use a sofa or cabinet with slender, tall legs so light can flow beneath it, creating the impression of floating furniture. This trick is especially effective in a black-themed room, keeping the furniture's volume from feeling too heavy or overwhelming in already limited space. Create a personal and bold gallery wall. A black wall is the perfect backdrop for showcasing a collection of art or black and white photographs that have personal meaning to your own life journey. Use frames of varying sizes but in a cohesive color palette to create a gallery wall that draws attention without looking cluttered. This artwork will break up the expansive black wall, providing an educational visual break and a compelling story for anyone who visits. Color consistency for a seamless flow of space. To make a small apartment feel more spacious, try to maintain a consistent black color palette across several visually connected areas. If the living room is black, try bringing a few of the same black elements into the kitchen or hallway to create a seamless flow. This consistency creates a strong sense of design unity, making the entire apartment feel like one large unit rather than a collection of small, disparate rooms. Comfort above all, functional aspects. While aesthetics are crucial, never forget the function and comfort of your home as a place where you actively live every day. Ensure every black corner is easy to clean, and choose durable fabrics if you have pets or small children. Great design is not only beautiful on camera, but also supports your lifestyle effectively and efficiently. Conclusion: finding luxury in a piece of black. Using a black palette in a small apartment is a bold statement that will provide incredible aesthetic satisfaction if you do it with confidence. You don't have to be afraid of darkness, because therein lies a true serenity and luxury that standard white can't provide. Keep experimenting with your space, because your home is the best canvas to express who you really are through a design that is full of stories. That's how I transformed a limited space into a visual masterpiece with a dark palette, and if you'd like to see how I styled antique furniture to complete this look, please check out my other videos on the IkiGriya channel.